Hi guys, this is Lut, and today I'm gonna show you about this intro animation using a noise. Play the game. Okay, actually someone just asked me about it. So, original movie is this one. Play the game. Not exactly same, but I think the concept is similar. So, using a noise is really important to add some detail on your scene and make your scene more realistic. So, these tutorials consist of 3 parts. This first chapter, I'm gonna show you how to create this noise background. So, let's start. First, we make a composition. Name is main. And make a solid and adjust fractal noise. I think this noise scale is too small, so in transform tab and scale it up about 150. And I think this black and white boundary is not clear, so increase contrast about 350. Okay, and change color black to white. Start from black about 3 seconds, and white out like this. Okay, and make a evolution offset. So press Alt and click this stopwatch and use a time expression. What is time? In 1 second, this time value is 1, and increase linear, and in 2 seconds the value is 2. So I'm gonna type the multiply and 150. So in 1 second the value is 150, and it is an increase like this. Okay, and copy it and move it back about here, and then reverse this black and white, and change blending mode to multiply to remove this white color like this. So now we get a noise start from black to white, and finally it is fade out to black. Okay, and hit UU, and I wanna make another time evolution offset like this. Every number is fine, it is up to you. And what I want to do, drag these 2 layers and hit Ctrl Shift C, and it is called noise matte. I want to show you some example. Make solid and change track matte to luma matte. So if I as you guys know, if I check luma matte, so this below layer is shown by only this white color. Check the luma matte like this. If I check luma invert, this below layer is shown by only the black color like this. So in this case I use luma matte. Okay, it is not bad, but I wanna make these edges more and more clear, so add some curve effect about this layer and make it contrast like this. It's great. Now we should make a main noise comp. So it's called noise comp. I'm gonna use this burnt paper. Searched in Google, just burnt paper. This one. And I think this image is too bright, so make adjustment layer and use it curves or level. Everything's fine. Just change color to dark and let channel a little bit. Let channel a little bit up. It is up to you. And make a noise. And also use a fractal noise. Scale a little bit. Scale it up. And also make a evolution offset. It is same concept. And change blending mode to overlay. And copy it. And change scale up about 300. And hit UU. And change offset, another offset. Okay, in nature, every noise is contain this big noise and small noise like this. It is really important, but this is not a realistic effect. This is abstract scene, so there is no accurate way. But I wanna recommend these techniques. It is a little bit more cool than this. Okay, next make another noise. It is called noise highlight. Oh, highlight, right? And change color to more red and powerful color. Okay, also just fractal noise. But in this noise, I'm gonna use this dynamic progressive, check invert, and change contrast and brightness down to make this pattern. And I want this noise move more fast, so time hit about 250, 300. Oh, decrease resolution. Brightness a little bit more down. Okay, and copy. And as I said, I want to make another big noise. Scale it up. And hit UU and another offset. And it is important. I wanna change this blending mode to multiply and layer blending mode to add. I think some people is confused of this concept, but this blending mode is blend fractal noise and this layer color. So when I change overlay, so this black and white noise is blend with this red color. So I check multiply, and this blending mode is blend this layer and with these layers. It is little bit hard to explain. I think you guys catch the point. So it is change also, multiply and add. And I think I wanna make this noise more powerful and more highlight. So use VC color vibrance. Copy it again. And copy these two layers and use fast blur. And opacity is a little bit down. And make another noise. It is called noise blend. Color change like this color. And adjust fractal noise. And scale it up. And also make a evolution offset. And change transfer mode. This blending mode change to overlay. And layer mode also change overlay like this. Okay, I'm gonna change a little bit. $65. Okay, it is not bad. Now back to the main comp and drag this one. So now when I check this LumaMat, we can see this noise. It's not bad, but I wanna make this edge more bright and powerful, so drag these two layers and pre-compose is called just noise and copy it and use glow about to here and decrease threshold about 35. Sorry. Okay, now you guys can see the what's difference. It makes this edge more outstanding. Okay, this first chapter is finished. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna come back to next chapter. Thank you.